Come on, Speedy Gonzalez. Hold on. Speedy Gonzalez. Look at me.
Stop it.
Come on, Speedy. Come on. Just look at the camera and give me a big kiss. Speedy Gonzalez can't get off the hiccups.
Yeah, do that. Do that.
Rump shaker?
Yeah, do rump shaker.
Justin, he's like going back in the couch like...
I can't help it, dude.
Hey, America, do not let Mexicans get drunk off some dark beer. That's what happens. They don't have that little Senorita Dos Equis. Look, here we go. Here's an example. Justin, look at the camera. Look at the camera. Justin, look at the camera.
Little X's and O's that come up.
Point proven. There you go.